Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RCSaylors. Popeye's not with us today, but we are getting ready for RCS Fest. And in this video, we are doing what we'll be doing Monday after RCS Fest.
We are in Hocking Hills, close to Cedar Falls. It's actually where Nathan proposed to me. And everybody's gonna meet up here Monday, June 18th at 9 a.m. in the morning, and we are going to trail. So Nathan and I have our axials. I'm driving my SCX-10 deadbolt, and his mom is here, but she didn't want to be on video. She's driving the SCX-10 Falcon. And so we're going to show you guys the trail, and all the directions to get here will be linked in the description box below. And if you want to come to RCS Fest, there will be truck driving there. There's also going to be planes and quads and mini quads. And guess what, David?
We might have something for you there. A little surprise.
Just wait. And everybody who was kind of disappointed that we had all aspects of RCs pretty much covered for our event except one thing, you're going to be happy about Monday.
So, we're going to hit the trail. And while we're on the trail driving these trucks, we're going to talk a little bit about a couple things to expect at RCS Fest. But really, we just want to enjoy the trail and let you guys know some of the cool spots.
Everybody's kind of been waiting on the details for this, so here you go.
Right. This is the truck trailing the Monday after RCS Fest. Okay, we're on the trail, the beginning of it. This is the parking lot. It's kind of small, but there's more parking a little down the road if this happens to fill up, because we don't know how many of you guys are coming. And at the beginning of the trail, the very beginning, we have this bridge, the suspension bridge. So we are going to have to pick our trucks up to go up the stairs.
But that's the beginning, so it's all right.
So that is the beginning. That's where it's going to start, this bridge. I'll show you when we get closer. So this is where we'll officially start. When you've seen this and this bridge that is see-through when you look down, this is where the trail will start. I think that's a good place for it to start. Good place for the trail to start. So guys, the trail is 2.5 miles the whole way, but we're not doing the whole thing. We're going to go 1 mile in and 1 mile back. It's a pretty wide trail. I think this should be really good for our trucks.
That was 2.5 miles one way, so it'd be 5 miles.
Ah.
I don't want to do that.
We plan on just going 1 mile out, 1 mile back. There's something special at the 1 mile point that we want to show you, but as you can see, multiple trucks can drive side by side, about 2 or 3 people wide on the narrower parts. We won't give the whole trail away, but it is beautiful, and I think this is going to be a really cool place for us to drive our trucks. So please come join us. It's totally free. Just bring your trucks. Well, guys, a lot of people...
Hey. Did you notice the lights on Nathan's truck?
Oh, okay. Abby wants to point out the lights. So Abby's had lights on hers for a while.
I did that.
But
And I added it to Nathan.
I've got lights on mine now too. Now a lot of people have... We asked you guys, should we sell some of our old RC stuff at RCS Fest? Not the trail, but RCS Fest. And basically all of you said yes, please. So in order to help prepare for baby Ima on the way and to pay for some of the expenses of RCS Fest, wow, I'm winded. We are going to have a lot of our RCs for sale. Things that you've seen on the channel, okay? They'll be appropriately priced to our friends and family prices. So bring a little extra money. You'll probably come home with a really good deal on something. Abby. Good try, good try. Okay, both of you, see if you can climb that. Come back, come back. Let's do a little hill climb challenge. I'm sure we'll be doing some of this on the trail. Can you get up the hill, Abby? Okay, you got it. Mom, let's see what you got with the Falcon. Oh, full throttle's your mistake. Crawl up the hill. Or maybe full throttle. Oh, okay, let's move on, let's move on. As Mom walks ahead with the Falcon, we're learning that here in the shade, it's very nice. It feels great. And this is a very nice trail. We're walking 2 and 3 wide sometimes. It's nice and open, so we can go a little bit, just like climbing some hills here and there. But look at the trail. It's good quality. It's very nice.
I'm sorry we're using the phone on this video. I dropped the ball. I forgot my camera.
We forgot the actual camera, but we're gonna make a video when we do this trail. So everybody that comes out, let's make a cool video on this trail. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Try again, try again. Oh, you landed. Go one more, go one more. Go up the hill. Nice. Oh. Oh no. While staying on the path, around the tree, breaking line of sight. All right. Very nice. Successful. Guys, things that I would recommend you bring on this hike would be at least 1 bottle of water, a backpack maybe to carry your small things with. I don't know if it's going to rain or not, so maybe have a light rain jacket in your car.
Are we doing this rain or shine?
Rain or shine, unless it's really bad lightning thunderstorms. Abby and I might be there for a while turning people away, but I do recommend maybe bringing a small snack because we might stop at the end of our trail here. And because it's 1 mile out and 1 mile back, depending on what type of truck you're driving, you might want to have 2 or 3 batteries for it. But this trail, oh no, Mom, no! This trail could actually, I would think Dromeda rally cars, oh, you guys, you both failed. I think Dromeda rally cars could even drive on this trail, so you don't need to have some big expensive axial truck to do this trail. This is just a wonderful little trail. I really like this. It even widens up here to maybe 4 or 5 people wide. Mom's going behind the tree.
Nope.
Okay, you got it, you got it. Oh, rolled over. Knock her back over, Abby. You can back into it. Yeah, okay. Oh no! Trail is just awesome. Guys, even if you don't have an RC car at all, you're just one of those drone guys, or you just like big expensive RC planes, then come join us on this hike and just get out and enjoy one of the most beautiful parks that this country has to offer. And good fellowship, good friends. Just enjoy this nice, easy trail, and we'll end RCS Fest doing this with a little surprise at the end. I think we're getting close to it.
I think so.
Oh, I like this. So we'll go up here and the trucks can make it. Just follow Abby. Awesome, awesome. Oh yeah. There's a step here. Yeah. Mud. In case anybody is wondering, dogs are allowed on this trail. Just please bring a bag for their business. Please. Thank you. Also, keep in mind your backpack, guys, will come in handy in case your batteries die and you don't want to carry it back. I'd totally bring a backpack for your truck, your snacks, water. At the top of this hill,
is the worst hill.
It's muggy.
It's really not that bad. I'm out of shape.
It's muggy. She's pregnant, so you know, hill climbing. At the top of this hill, there is a bit of a clearing, and I cannot wait to show you guys what's at that clearing. Check it out, guys. And just all of a sudden, water. Very cool. A spot to relax. So, bring your boats, because we have access just right here. You can come right up to the edge of the water and plop your boat in. No cattails right here. Just right in the water, nice and clear. Drive your boats at the end of RCS Fest. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. I think Abby had to enjoy the bench. Well, I think it's a pond. Abby says it's a lake. I guess it's Rose Lake, so it's a lake. But I also encourage you guys to bring a drone if you want, of course, at your own risk. But this is a pretty big open spot here. You could almost take off a small plane from this. Check out Rose Lake and everything surrounding. Very cool, very cool. You could fly a race drone around here, zip it along the edge of the tree line, up and down the dam, and over the water. Very cool spot. So what we're probably going to do is drive the mile out, which wasn't bad at all. Stop and relax here, eat a snack, bring a picnic blanket, have a little snack. We'll stay here for a half hour or so, and then we'll head back. So just enough time to eat a trail mix thing, drink a bottle of water, and then fly your drone if you have it with you. This is just awesome. So this is our game plan for Monday after RCS Fest. Now our axial batteries made it. We have 5,000 milliamp 2-cell in those little SCX10 trucks, and they made it all the way out here, and I think they'll make it all the way back, but maybe bring an extra battery. We want to encourage you guys to come out, even if you don't drive anything or fly anything at all. Please come out and join us. It's going to be a great way to end RCS Fest. Officially, this is not part of RCS Fest because this is 100% free.
Yeah, this isn't officially a part of RCS Fest. It's just friends
Just a meetup.
hanging out and going on a walk together.
Yes, and I think it's going to be just awesome. I mean, today, if today's any indication of what it will be like. Now, I will say Monday, as of right now, is the highest chance of rain at like 50%, 40%.
As of today, yeah.
As of today. That's a good thing for RCS Fest.
We just, one of our favorite parts of this hobby is RC truck crawling, and so we wanted to be able to enjoy that with our friends.
Yes.
So that's why we are trying to do this meetup.
And some of you guys are traveling like 15 hours away to be here, so I want you to just enjoy every aspect of the hobby that you can with us while you're here.
This area is just gorgeous. So
beautiful.
If you come to RCS Fest, don't think of it as just an RC event. Bring your family and come to places like this.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And
just enjoy it, because this isn't even half of Hocking Hills.
There's waterfalls.
The area is just beautiful.
It's amazing, yeah. Well, you'll see a taste of it here. This trail is nice because it's doable for most people. It's almost even handicap accessible. Like if a wheelchair wanted to do this, you could almost do all of it, like 99% of it. So even if you feel like you might have some limitations, we're going to take the trail slow, just going to have some fun. It's going to be maybe just a few hour or so event, a little meetup. So please come join us, have fun driving trucks and cars and boats.
We've been working really hard this week
just
for RCS Fest prep, and we've been putting this off. And so if I look tired,
we are.
That's why. We've been working really hard. We're really excited to see you guys come out. We'll have all the directions to get out to this trail down in the link below, but it's just past Cedar Falls, and we walk right past the top of Cedar Falls. Where Nathan proposed. So we're looking forward to having you guys come out to one of our favorite trails ever.
Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video, and hopefully out here at this little meetup to drive some trucks and fly some drones and play with some boats together.
Bye!
Bye. Here we are. We are now at the end. Abby, you don't have to. You got it. You got it. There you go. We're at the end of the trail. And one single 5,000 milliamp 2-cell LiPo on those axial trucks, the SCX10 style, made it the whole way. We did a little bit of extra bashing on the sides, but they made it. So You might not need to bring 2. Still probably would if you have them though. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. That's my mom, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Guys, that airplane that's flying over right now at the end of the trail is super appropriate because that is TheRcSaylors, the guy that is going to be giving you a tour of Hocking Hills area. So be sure to sign up if you come into RCS Fest to fly with Harry. It's only $30 per person for an amazing, beautiful flight. He's an awesome pilot. He trains pilots as well. See you in the next video.